So the first thing we're gonna do is check your writing homework from 208. Okay, so let's get started then. The first thing was checking your homework. These are the two maps. Physical map is a map of land in the USA. Our little town is the map of a town. Huang Ni, can you please read the questions that we need to answer?
How are their maps? How are they different? What pattern do you see?
Good. One more time, can you say these?
These.
And here we have the letter A first. So it's not just like, it's alike. Can you say alike?
Alike.
Good. That means the same. So how are these maps the same? How are they different? Let's go over to your homework here. And Ming Kui, let's take a look. All right, Ming Kui, why don't you go ahead and unmute and read your answer for us?
Okay. They all have map key and map title and have compass rows and distance.
Say distance.
Our little town is smaller than a physical map, and physical map is big than our little town. The physical map has water, desert, plains, hills, and mountains. Our little towns have roads, ponds, and trees.
Wonderful. Excellent job, Ming Kui. Very good. Thank you for reading and for sharing. All right, let's take a look at some more. Here's Ming Tu. Maybe. There we go. All right, go ahead and read your answer, Ming Tu.
They are both have map key title, compass rows, and distance. They have different title, color, different and different things. Pattern of who this map is they all have color, distance, compass rows, title, and map key.
Very nice. Okay, very good. Make sure you check your spelling next time. Title, T-I-T-L-E, and don't forget your S's, okay? They means more than one. They have different titles with an S, colors, distances, things. All right, very good reasons. Great job with the patterns. Very nice work with the patterns, Ming Tu. Lei Ann. Also, 7 of you were here on time. 7 of you came late. The 7 of you that came 5 to 10 minutes late, a lot of you. The 7 of you that came late have lost points on Class Dojo. Okay? Remember that. Tomorrow you need to be here by 9:50. Okay?
I came late because I go to a restaurant and then I come home.
Okay, still, it is what it is. If you're late, you're late. All right. How are they like? Excellent. How are they different? Streets. The exact, okay, interesting. Here's bull. Oh no, sideways. Same, both have compass rose. Distance, excellent. Different. Road, street names, types of land, wonderful. Oh, this is a great one. This part right here, I know it's hard to read, so I'll read it. Ready? Our little town uses symbols and the physical map uses colors. So 2 different types of map keys. One uses symbols, one uses colors. That is a great difference. Good job, Bull. Bing Ming. The maps aren't alike, they're different. There are definitely patterns. There are patterns in the land, but patterns in maps. Repeats again and again in every map. These are patterns in maps. Does this make sense, Bing Ming? We see it again and again in every map.
Yes.
Okay, great. And let's see, we have apple. That's it. Alan, you're the last one. Let's see. Banana, Daisy, Wang Mi, where's your homework? Ming Kang. Mon, Sam, homework? No? No one has any excuse? Good job, Alan. As usual, I'm missing a lot of homeworks and it's mostly from this group, not group 1. It's mostly from group 2. What's going on? Ming Kang?
But I do it.
But you didn't send a picture, Mayan. You did do it though.
I
That's good,
to
Mayan.
my mom.
Okay. Thank you for doing it though. That is good, Mayan. Thank you for doing it. Huang Mi, homework? Did you do it?
I didn't do it.
You didn't do your homework last week either.
That's 2 times.
Yeah. Ming Kang, homework? Ming Kang, I haven't seen your homework in weeks. Where's your homework? Did you do it, but your family just didn't send it? I see, Daisy. Thank you, Daisy,
No.
for your homework.
I don't know. But my here.
Okay, thank you, Mayan. So I've seen Mayan and Daisy do have their homework. That's great. Thank you. Ming Kang, I need to start seeing homework. Sam, Mon, I haven't seen your homework in weeks. Mon, did you do your homework? Just not send picture? Mon, it's not that.
I didn't send picture.
Mon, that one's not the homework. That was homework like a week ago. This is the homework. This one, page 208.
I did not take a picture.
Hi. Guys, if you don't take the picture, then I can't know if you do it unless you hold it up, which Mayan and Daisy did. We need to be better. Harry, I haven't got homework from you in weeks, Harry. Why have I not been getting homework for you? No reason, Harry? All right, right, we're going to finish this worksheet reading a map practice. So go ahead and take out this worksheet. And again, if you don't have the worksheet, take out your notebook because you will send a picture later. So go ahead and take out this worksheet or your notebook.
Oh my God.
And let's take a look. So this is where we are. Each dot is a city. Each dot is a city. Ready? We have Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh was in the mountains. Purple, purple. Pittsburgh, Denver, Las Vegas, Miami, and Pine Bluff. Which city is closest to a river? So this is number 2 if you're writing in your notebook. Which city is closest to a river? I think we did this one yesterday. You can tell me. Maybe Mingtu? Mingtu, city is closest to a river. Which city is closest to a river? Say it again. Can you say it one more time, Mingtu? I just didn't hear you.
I don't know.
Look at the rivers, Mingtu. Which red dot is closest to the river? It's okay if you're wrong, just take a guess.
I know. Why did you just tell me?
You have no guess? Minghui?
I forget. It is a Pine Bluff.
Yes, Pine Bluff. Minghui, a lot of you knew the answer. You need to just raise your hand and wait, okay? All right, very nice. Pine Bluff is next to the river. Do you see Mingtu? Here's the river. Here's Pine Bluff. So Pine Bluff is the closest city to a river. All right, I hope everyone wrote down their answer. Everyone wrote down their answer? All right, number 3. Which city is in the desert? Go ahead, I'll give you a few seconds to do it on your own. Also, great job Minghui and Myan answering in the chat. But please write down your answer in your notebook as well, okay, Minghui? Write it down as well.
I don't take any book in here.
You don't have any paper?
Have, but it's so small.
You don't have, but you just have to write a number in one word. All right, next one, ready? Which city is in the desert? How about Myan? Which city is in the desert?
It's Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, yes, Las Vegas is in the desert. If you look at the map key, yellow means desert. Everyone, go ahead and check your work, please. Make sure you write down the right answer. Number 4, this one's a little harder. Put the cities in order from highest up a mountain to lowest. Highest to lowest. Which cities will be the highest up and which ones will be the lowest down? So you should write all the cities.
all the cities?
Yep, write all 5 in the right order. From highest up a mountain. So here's my mountain. Highest up a mountain to lowest.
Okay.
Right? All the cities from highest to lowest. There's 5 altogether. Leanne, you should be writing. Wang Mi, writing. Who thinks they have the right order?
I know.
Go ahead. What do you think, Ninkei?
It's the Pittsburgher and the Pittsburgher and the Pine Bluff and the Las Vegas. No, and the Denver and the Las Vegas.
So what's the first one?
It's the Pittsburgher.
Bird. And then
And Pine Bluff.
Pine Bluff.
And the Denver.
Actually, so in this case, the desert, Las Vegas. The desert has tall rocks and sometimes sandy hills. Tall rocks and sandy hills. So it can actually be a bit taller. All right, and then, you're right, Denver. And then what's the last one? Ninkei, after Denver, what's the last one?
Las Vegas on Myanmar.
Miami, yes.
It's Miami.
Miami. So number 4, Pittsburgh is the tallest because it is mountains. Pine Bluff is second, it's the hills. Las Vegas is third, the desert. Denver and Miami are both plains. So you could do that one in whatever order you want. The Denver, Miami, they're the same. From highest up to lowest down. Go ahead and make sure you have the right answer. And does anyone have any questions about this?
Can you go again to 1, 2, 3, 4?
Yes. I'll click through it one more time.
I can hear your mouse clicks.
Yeah.
Can you go to number 1?
Yeah, let me just make sure everyone has this done first. All right, 10 more seconds just to double check your work, finish writing.
Do we need to write mountain hills, desert, plains?
No, that's just more for me to show you high to low.
Okay.
All right, I will quickly go through number 1 to 4 again. Number 1, what type of land does Pittsburgh have? It has mountains, purple. Number 2, what city's closest to a river? Pine Bluff. Number 3, which city is in the desert? Las Vegas. And number 4, put the cities in order from highest up a mountain to lowest. And the next one, look at each red dot, we have 4. There is one mistake. I will fix it now. It's not Los Angeles. It is spelled L-O-S. We still say Los though. We still say Los Angeles. Okay. We still have a title, a compass rose, a key, and distance. These are patterns. Number 1. What type of land does Los Angeles have? Go ahead, everybody. Number 1.
Mountains.
Number 1. What type of land does Los Angeles have? Daisy, can you answer, please? Daisy, what type of land does Los Angeles have?
Can you say again? Because it's too small.
What type of land does Los Angeles have?
Los Angeles have the last sand.
Los Angeles is this dot right here.
No. Last sand gas.
No. Look. Here, let me mute you for a second so you can hear clearly. Here's the question. What type of land does Los Angeles have? Here's Los Angeles. Los Angeles is this dot right here. So what type of land does Los Angeles have? Daisy?
It is hot land.
It's which one? No. Daisy, Portland is a city. I'm asking for the type of land in Los Angeles. Here is Los Angeles. Leanne, can you tell me the type of land in Los Angeles?
Mountains and
Just mountains, right? The little red dot is in the mountains. So if we look here, Los Angeles is in the purple, which means it's in the mountains. Number 1 is mountains. Any questions? Number 2. Which cities are the highest up? There could be 1, there could be 2, there could be 3. Which ones are the highest? Sam, which cities are the highest up? Sam?
Portland.
Say it again. Portland. And is there another one? Is there another one high up?
Denver.
Denver's in the plains. Is the plains high up?
But okay.
I mean high up like high up a mountain. So Sam, which ones are in the mountains?
Los Angeles.
Excellent. Portland and Los Angeles are the highest up because mountains are the tallest. Portland is in the mountains. Los Angeles is in the mountains. They are the highest cities. Go ahead, everyone, and write down your answers. Leanne, have you been writing? You're going to send a picture later. last one, number 3. Which cities are close to the water? There's 2. So which 2 cities are closest to a body of water? Which 2 are closest to a body of water? Harry, what do you think? Which 2 cities are closest to a body of water? Not sure? Who knows? I'm gonna lower your hands. Go ahead and raise your Zoom hand. Raise your Zoom hand. Which 2 are closest to a body of water? Yes, Ming-Tu?
Denver and Portland.
So Portland it's closest to a river. There's another one though that's closer to a different body of water.
Denver.
Denver's not that close to the river. Is there one that's closer? Maybe closer to the ocean? Which was? Yes. Los Angeles is very close to the ocean. Very good, Ming-Tu. If we look here, Denver, this is a bit far from the river. But Los Angeles is right next to the ocean, and Portland is right next to this river. So, Los Angeles and Portland are the closest 2 cities to a body of water. Now that we've done this, does anyone have any questions about reading a map? Okay.
I have a question, Mayan.
Go ahead, Mayan.
But if the map, like a paper, don't have color, what do we do?
It will have symbols. If it doesn't have color, it will have symbols. Maybe mountains would be this symbol. And hills would be this symbol. And plains would be this symbol. Maybe the desert would be, the symbol could be a cactus. And water might be this symbol. Right? We can use symbols instead. Okay, everyone. So we are going to do the quiz on quizzes, but I will go over your homework first. For your homework, we will combine the 2 lessons in Unit 4. Lesson 1 is where is water found? Lesson 2 is how can we map land and water? So go ahead and take out this worksheet, everybody. Here are the directions. Bing Ming, can you please read the directions?
The directions is that you'll make a map of an island. You need to include the bodies of water we learned in 4.1 and follow the pattern of a map we learned in 4.2.
Excellent. So tonight you're just planning, you're just doing this worksheet. But later you're going to be making a map of an island. Remember, islands, here's the ocean. Islands are just land surrounded by water. Here are some islands. And you don't say the S. So everyone unmute and say island, island.
Island.
Good, you don't need the S, island. So you're going to make a map of an island, and this worksheet is to help you plan. So first, the 4 bodies of water. Everyone, go ahead and write this. The 4 bodies of water we learned in lesson 4.1 are ocean, river, lake. Go ahead, what's your question?
But in my house, in my I don't have the print.
Okay, then your parents knew about this for a week, but
my mom didn't print.
then you'll have to answer these questions in your notebook. You can just write your answers on another piece of paper, okay? You can have your parents show you the worksheet from the email, and you don't have to print. You can write your answers in your notebook. All right, everyone done writing this? These are the 4 bodies of water that we learned: river, lake, pond, ocean. So everyone will get 100% on this on their homework? Okay. And secondly, I will do an example of your homework. You are planning your map. Step 1, make a plan for your map of an island. Record ideas and observations about your map's location. Location, I want mine in the Pacific Ocean near Hawaii.
How many days do we need to do this?
Hawaii. But today you're just making the plan. That's it. You're not making the map yet. You're just doing the worksheet tonight. So your location could be Japan, Taiwan, the Bermuda Triangle. It can be in the Atlantic Ocean, in the Indian Ocean, in the Red Sea, okay? Size, I'm gonna do large, big size. Shape, triangle, circle, square, just random. Type of land, since mine is where it's warm, I want a rainforest, a volcano. I want mountains. I want some grassland in there. And what bodies of water? I am going to include a river, the ocean, and a lake. Materials, paper, pencil, colors, ruler, anything else you can think of to help you make a map. And that's it. That's your homework. Plan your map. What land and water will you include? That's it. Okay, this is your homework. Any questions about filling out this worksheet?
No.
All right, now we started class late, so actually we have about 5 minutes left in class, so let's play the quiz for 5 minutes.
Woo. Question, do we have in this quiz?
20, so you won't be able to finish it, but maybe you can do half, and then I will end the quiz. Go ahead, everyone, the link is in the chat.
Mama told me not đi.
Now, I know we're missing some. We only have 8, but I'm going to press start because you can keep joining after. So everyone, go ahead and keep joining.